Hey everyone, One Tech here, and today we're diving into a map. I call it a productivity app in the Powerhouse Notion. Whether you're a student or a professional or just someone trying to get organized, Notion has something for you. Let's jump right in and explore what makes this app so special. First, let's talk about the notes and documents. Notion allows you to create and organize notes in various formats, including texts, lists, tables, and media. You can customize the formats to suit your needs, add headers, bullet points, and checkboxes to structure your content efficiently. Here is how you can quickly create a note. We're going to come right here and we're going to go we're going to select the button, and now we're going to give our note a heading, a title. We can give it what we want, what the title is about, or what's the note about. So type in our note, navigating down, we'll select the plus icon and maybe set what we want. Is it a to-do list or it's a heading? Maybe we select heading, then we give it a heading, and our note is about motion. Yeah, so you do it like that. Depending on your note, you have the way of doing it. Yeah, one of the most powerful features, it is the database and tables. You can use these to store and organize information such as contacts, tasks, projects, or any other structured data. Each database entry can have different properties like text, numbers, dates, and attachments. That means that you can sort and filter the groups, your entities based on these properties. So let's set up a simple database and track a project. Setting up a simple database and tracking, I will come to this plus button and press it, and now we name our database database. Then we'll come beneath and select the plus icon. Scroll all the way down, where we see the table, inline table, database inline. Then after selecting the database inline, we can give it a title, question. Now the name, so here we can say, so it's name. Then here we can add another column. So in this you can create as many tables as you can create as many columns as you can, and you can also include tags, the different tags that you feel like adding. Yeah, so next, let's explore the task management. Notion offers robust capabilities here. You can create to-do lists, set due dates, and assign tasks for individuals or teams. Tasks can be organized into our cabinet boards, lists, calendars, views, making it flexible for the different project management styles. Here is an example of a task board I use to manage my video production process. So first I have to create a board. Come to the plus button, and now you come to create, maybe you first name your note. Maybe I'll name it, you first name your note, I'll name it board. Then after, I come right here and click on the plus sign and go to the board view. So if I go to board view, I'll just click done, and now here is the board. Then I'll either create a database or link one. So for instance, for my content, I go to board, I give it a title, board. After giving it a title, I go to the notes down and I click the plus icon. Then I go to board view. Then board view, here I can create my database. Maybe I'm going to create content about something. It will help me to assign the different categories of my videos. Yeah. Collaboration is seamless in Notion. Teams can collaborate in real time. You can mention teammates, leave comments, and share pages or databases with specific permissions, allowing controlled access for team members or collaborators. Notion provides a variety of templates to kickstart different types of projects or workflows like meeting notes, project trackers, and personal journals. You can customize these templates and create your own from scratch, tailoring them from you and to fit the specific needs and preferences. Let's take a quick look at some of the templates available for you and how you can use them. So we're figuring out the templates, and we have the different templates. We have the travel planner, we have the reading list, we have the job application tracker, we have the weekly to-do list. These are templates. Mail planner. Yeah, so these are the different templates that we can use, yeah, to simplify our work. But we can customize them still. We can customize them. So yeah, that is it. Notion integrates with popular apps like Google Drive, Slack, and you can embed files, links to external resources, or automate workflows using third-party tools. Notion is also accessible across devices like web, desktop for Windows and Mac OS, and mobile apps for iOS and Android, ensuring that you can access your information anytime, anywhere. Now, finally, let's talk about the pricing plan. Notion offers both free and paid plans, providing flexibility depending on your needs. The plan includes essential features like note taking, task management, and basic collaboration tools, with unlimited pages and blocks are limited to file uploads. The paid plan unlocks additional features such as the unlimited file uploads, advanced permissions, version history, and integrations with other applications. Pricing and features vary depending on the plan and the number of users. So heading over to the pricing, we have the free plan has a collaborative workspace integrated with Slack, GitHub. So it also has the basic analytics, 7-day page history, and invites 10 guests. That means the free plan, you just have 7-day page history. Anything beyond that, you have to go to the subscription and also invite 10 guests. Hope it makes sense. So I have the $10 per month, and it's a popular one, as I say. Unlimited blocks, unlimited file uploads, a 30-day page history. You can invite 100 guests. You can synchronize the database. The database is synchronized with a third-party applications. The We also have the custom websites, you can create custom websites, custom automations, custom charts, dashboards. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at Notion, from taking notes, managing tasks, collaborating with your team. Notion is a powerful tool that can transform the way you work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech previews and productivity. Remember, at 1V Tech, we focus on simplicity and we make sure we simplify these day-to-day softwares and applications. Then, in my conclusion, Notion beats it all, and it's worth it. It simplifies our day-to-day organizations, like organizing your to-do lists and your day-to-day things that you wanna do. And yeah, I give it a B plus. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.